This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for March 3rd, 2023. It's currently February 2nd, 2023, 9:01 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a male ruler of nations highlighted again. I think this is likely, we saw it on the first, the male ruler of nations highlighted. Picking up on something to do internationally speaking, very likely with Russia and the Ukraine here in the very beginning of March. When we look at the 1 month, we've got something to do with Congress. And a male leader here highlighted around like the 7th and the 8th. So there may be something going on there having to do with Congress, but there's a male leader highlighted here at the very beginning of March, and it's impacting the market to some regard. Behavior around the highest high. So out of the highest price level, there's a sideways fluctuating decline that precedes a rally. Usually the Empress card is a good entry point before a notable rally. And the behavior around the lowest low, we establish support, and then there's a notable move off of the low, standing out on a 1 day, but it's nullified somehow. So meaning that there's chart behavior that kind of makes it irrelevant. And it's looking like I'm advised to trade around a rally that offers an opportunity to open up a short position. Looks like we come up against resistance here, and a highest high somewhere around like 1125 maybe. Huh. Yeah, so around 1125 looks like there's a highest high there. And there's a trade opportunity when we're bumping up against the resistance level. It's a key resistance level. We get highlighted here as the Ace of Swords resistance. And there's a notable decline. This is a failure imminent kind of positioning of the ruin. When it's inverted like this, it's slightly inverted, so I consider it inverted. Looks like after this resistance level, this key resistance level that we bump up against, there's a decline through multiple support levels. We attempt to reestablish support around 2 to 3 o'clock. Resistance, strong resistance of some kind keeps us from rising. There's a failed attempt to break through key resistance right around the close, and then a decline down through key support with some price swings in the post-market. Looks like something after the bell having to do with a male ruler of nations really is highlighted there after the bell. And well, like mid-morning and then again after the close. Okay, and then it looks like the whatever this resistance level is that holds strong and we don't break through here in the last hour. It looks like the following day we probably turn that into support, at least temporarily. I'm also picking up on us possibly opening lower. No, we don't open lower, but there's some sort of nullification tomorrow, so the move to the upside doesn't hold. And I think probably that behavior there is what makes the low here irrelevant. We likely have a low here at the end of the day. Especially when we look at the 1 month, we have this high, this prominent high here on the cusp of the 2nd and 3rd, and I'm leaning towards early in the morning on the 3rd based on what I see on the dailies. That would be here. It's the Ace of Discs behavior here. We would see it here. So an important price level there. And then it looks like we decline off of that. It's a brief high that's easily missed as well, it looks like. There's actually probably a pretty good day trade here, like at a trough around 10:30ish, opening up a long position and closing that long position briefly thereafter when we hit that important price level somewhere around like what did I say, 1125ish. So that's a pretty good swing trade right there. or momentum trade, I should say. But that's the S&P 500 for March 3rd, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure you follow that rule of karma. The rule of karma, for those of you that don't know, that are new to the channel, it's an important part of the channel. If you plan to profit from the information here that we're giving away for free, it's multi-billion-dollar valued information in the right hands. We're giving it away for free. It takes hours and hours and hours of work, not to mention a lifetime of trials and tribulations to bring it to you. So with that said, follow the rule of karma, or you'll end up not making money. That's the way karma works. So 5% forward, somebody pay it forward, somebody who doesn't expect it, that needs it, that doesn't see it coming. Be their angel investor. Pay 5% of it back to the channel. You can do that here at PayPal or Cash App. Much appreciated to the more and more of you that I see doing that every day. Bless your hearts. And then 90% of that profit, make sure you spend that out of love. As long as you spend out of love, the universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. Later.